There's literally devastation going on everywhere we look, except the mind. We must go within our own selves to reach this point, because there is going to be a big ass shift coming soon as I look. And literally tomorrow, tomorrow, today, the full moon. It's going to be the full moon of January. Take hold of that energy, the collective energy during that time. Like, me and my artwork. Nom nom nom. Should I add that? Nom nom nom. And this one is a big one. So anyway, and if I want change to even happen at any point, I gotta start with myself. It's low-key harder than what it is than saying it. Like saying goodbye to ways that does not like serve me has to go. Like, no, I have to buckle up. Cause it's gonna be a fun ride. It's gonna be a fun ride.